I'm up 17% for the month of September so far. Let me share with you how I've done that. Hey Forex traders, Andrew Mitchem here at the Forex Trading Coach with video and podcast number 385. And as mentioned, I'm up 17% for the month of September so far, with still 4 days to go. And I'd like to explain how that has happened and how you can take advantage of the market movements that we're seeing right now. Now, if you go and have a look at your charts, you'd have seen we've had big falls in currencies like the Australian dollar, the New Zealand dollar, the euro and the pound. Gold and silver have been falling as well, and the US dollar has been climbing dramatically. And so we've seen some big movements in the market over the last couple of weeks, and so we've been able to take advantage of those. But moving on to other things, depending on where you live in the world, you'd have seen that coronavirus is back in the news again. Countries like the UK and parts of Europe are going into lockdowns again. Unemployment's going up around the world. Interest rates are crashing. I've just received an email from one of my bank accounts or banks saying that they are going to now pay me a massive 0.1% interest for the year, which is absolutely outstanding. I'm thrilled to be receiving 0.1. No, I'm not. Absolutely. No, I'm not. Why would I have money in the bank when I've just made 17% in a month? Most of that on auto trading, which I'm going to share with you. So think about it. What is it that you can do to get yourself knowledgeable about these markets? I walked around town recently. The amount of shops that are starting to become vacant, owning commercial property, owning a shop in town, it's not particularly good right now, and it's probably not going to get better for a long, long time, if ever. And as I mentioned, unemployment rates are going up again. Government schemes to keep people in employment or giving them monetary handouts for the last few months, certainly here in New Zealand, that's about to stop. Governments cannot afford to just keep handing out money all the time. It's crazy. There's going to be generations of people paying that off in taxes for their lifetime. So it comes back to, that's why I trade the Forex market. Here I am at home, trading, enjoying it, doing other things, but it comes about from that work and dedication at the beginning. So you have to put that effort, time, dedication into it. Just last night I held a webinar with my clients, a live 2-hour webinar. And I had a client, Tamas, and Tamas sent me 4 trades that he's taken this week. And he's made 3.7% gain just on 4 trades. I showed them the screenshots of the trade, the entry exits, the position, why he got in. And we talked about that during the webinar. We do that on all of our webinars. We're looking at trades that people are taking. We're looking at taking trades live. And I also shared with my clients our amazing pattern trader software. And you can find a link to it. I'll put it on this video and podcast. It's called tftcpatterntrader.com. It's our automated trading software. And you can take advantage of that even if you're not a coaching client. And so that allows you to trade a combination of bots that you can create, or we have created, and you can use our versions or edit them. Create your portfolio and have that trading if you want to on complete auto trading. And that's had a tremendous month for September. With my manual trading and my bot trading together, I'm up 17%. With very low risk per trade, extremely low drawdown. 17% still with 4 days. We've got Friday and then Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday of next week before we then move into October. So it shows what can be done, and it also shows how good the strategy is at taking advantage of those moves when they happen. And that's another important point. There's no point in looking back at your charts and go, oh, if I'd done this and if I'd have done that, I would have made that amount of money. It's pointless. It doesn't matter. What you have to do is have the strategy, the knowledge in place and the system in place to be able to see the trade, take the trade in real time from the right-hand side of the chart. That is the only way you're going to make money in the Forex market. We can do that. We can help you teach that, and our auto trade software can do that for you. So have a look at the links I'm going to put below this video and podcast. One to the coaching course. We've been running it for over 11 years. Over 2,500 clients in 88 countries have been through that coaching course. And now the new TFTC pattern trader software. Both are excellent options. Have a look at the links. Make sure that you jump on board with us and you profit from the Forex market, because quite honestly, there's not a lot of other options out there right now. And the way things are going throughout the entire world, it's probably not going to change for very long. So make sure that you take advantage of the amazing Forex market. So I hope that helps. Once again, this is Andrew Mitchem here, the owner of the Forex Trading Coach. I'll see you this time next week with more trading tips and information. Bye for now.